Want instant competitor sales data on Walmart? I'll show you a tool that does it in today's video. So if you're on Walmart and you're searching and you're just like, hey, I want to sell Pokemon cards or any item in general, there's now a tool that shows you exactly how much money they're making. So let's say I click on this item right here. There's only one left in stock, right? It's sold by a third-party seller. It's not even sold by Walmart themselves. Now there's this tool called Xray on Helium 10. You can click on it and it's going to show you how much money they're making a month. This is making $160,000 a month on Walmart. So if you were selling this product on Walmart, you got to prove to sell it, you could potentially dominate. It's even showing us the Amazon ASIN, so we could see how much it's making on Amazon compared to Walmart. But this is one of the only tools that I know of right now that actually shows you Walmart competitor sales data. So if you wanted to sell on Walmart, you already sell on Walmart, having a tool like this is a game changer. And that's my recommendation to try it out. If you do want to try out the tool, there's a link in the description with a free trial to Helium 10. And then you can log in and then get access to the Helium 10 Xray tool. And then you can see right here, Xray Walmart product research. Here's another one right here. And I'm going to use it again. And then you can see how long it takes to load. And this one's making $131,000 a month. And then again, if they're selling on Amazon as well, we can see the Amazon revenue, which is obviously almost triple, pretty much triple. But we can also see the listing on Amazon. So if we did want to sell on Amazon, but it's a lot easier to sell on Walmart compared to Amazon. And how many competitors are there? Oh, there are 35. So there's quite a few. This one only has 5 competitors and they're just 1 cent below. So again, if you're buying these in bulk, which I know people do all of the time, you could potentially dominate it on Walmart. So check out this tool. It's one of a kind. And again, I haven't seen any other tool that offers this type of data. But that's it for this video. What's one piece of competitor data you wish you had on Walmart? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you learned something new, drop a like. And if you're a Walmart seller, I highly recommend subscribing to our channel because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your Walmart journey. And of course, if you need any help with increasing sales, anything mentioned in this video, or just help selling on Walmart, contact EHP Consulting Group. The link is right in the description to contact us or schedule a call. Also, one of our most popular services is our full A to Z Walmart account management service. This is what will help you get on Walmart, create listings, find opportunities, manage your customer service, advertising, and of course, increasing your sales. The benefit of this service is so you can spend time working on your business instead of in your business every day on the daily operations. We'll do it all for you so you can stay stress-free and save time, money, and increase your sales with ehpconsultinggroup.com. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO, and I'm signing out.